I'm Vinesh Bakshi here, and today I want to share the high income skill number 6. We have covered quite a few of these skills before, so here is number 6. So let me give you some perspective on this. My friend Rick Ruby and I were talking about it one time, and he mentioned to me this concept, and I'm going to expand on this. So there are different ways that you can help people, right? So let's talk about different ways. Number one is you can sell them something that can help them. Number two is you can teach them, educate them, help them understand some concepts. That's one way to do that. The third way is you can be a consultant. You can actually give them some understanding of a solution compared to their situation. And that's another way to help people. Another way to help people is coaching people. Coaching typically means that you help them create a strategy and then help implement the strategy. A coach is not somebody who's just watching you. A coach is somebody who's helping you correct you while you are in motion, helping you get results. And the last one is a leader. A leader is somebody who actually inspires you to do great things, but you're following the vision of the leader. Now, in all capacities, you can be exchanging those roles as you go, but for income skills purposes, today we are going to talk about coaching because there are a lot of people who have become coaches. And I remember 20 years ago when I started in the coaching business, there was not much awareness of what a coach does, especially in the business and life coaching side. Today, there are so many coaches available. And now you should ask yourself, do I pursue that as a career? Now, if you are somebody who is going to be helping people grow, whether you are a manager, supervisor, you're an owner of a company, you're a trainer, what will happen is you will actually be somebody who is going to be coaching people because your job is to help people get results. Now, if you can help get the results in the physical fitness arena, then you are going to be a fitness coach. If you're going to be helping somebody improve relationships, then you're going to be a relationship coach. If you are helping somebody in their money and finances, you're going to be a money coach. If you are going to be helping somebody in their career, then you are their career coach. If you're helping people in business, then you can you can be a business coach. And obviously there is a spiritual coach as well. So there could be a number of different areas that you could be a coach on, but your goal as a coach is to make sure people have a proven or a workable strategy and they are following the strategy with as many fine tuning required on the way so they can get the result they want. Now, there are a lot of people who are teachers, but they call themselves coach. There are people also trainers who train in a group setting, for example, and try to impart skills because teachers usually impart knowledge, trainers impart skills. So there's a difference between the two, if you can see that. And then they also call themselves coach. But for our conversation, the coach is somebody who helps you implement a strategy and get results. That's really the simple way. That is a high income skill. That's a high income skill. And it's always going to be important. People need new technology that they need to learn. People need to learn new ways to do things. People need to be reflecting on who they are currently and what they need to actually change about themselves. So coaching is a high impact skill and also a high income skill that you can master. I hope you get a sense of what these income skills, high income skills are, and able to use that in your business, in your personal life. Bye-bye.